In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Ads customer ID. This is the unique 10-digit number that identifies your Google Ads account. And it's the one support teams, agencies, or connected tools often ask for when they need to access or reference your account. Knowing exactly where to find it will save you time and help you avoid sharing the wrong information. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Ads. You'll likely see a few results, including ads and help articles. What you want is the official Google Ads homepage. Before you click, glance at the link preview and make sure it points to ads.google.com. That's the safest way to avoid lookalike pages. When in doubt, you can also type ads.google.com directly into the address bar. Once you're on the official site, click Sign In. If you're already signed in to a Google account, you may go straight to your Google Ads dashboard. If not, you'll be prompted to choose or enter the Google account that has access to your ads. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one tied to your advertising. Choosing the wrong account is one of the most common reasons people can't find their customer ID right away. After you're signed in, look toward the very top right of any page in your Google Ads interface. This is where Google places your profile avatar or initial, your account name, and key account details. You don't need to open a specific campaign or setting. It's visible from virtually anywhere inside the platform. Right next to your profile picture and account name, you'll see your customer ID. It's a 10-digit number, often grouped in 3 sets for readability. That's the exact number you'll share when someone asks for your Google Ads customer ID. If you need to copy it, you can usually highlight it directly and copy or click into your account settings where it's repeated for convenience. Share it only with trusted parties, and keep in mind this is different from other numbers you might encounter, like conversion IDs or tracking tags. If you work with multiple accounts or a manager account, double-check that you're viewing the correct account name at the top right before you grab the number. Switching accounts in the same session can sometimes cause confusion, so confirm the label matches the brand or business you intend to reference. That's all there is to it. Open your browser and find Google Ads. Click the correct link, sign in, look to the top right, and copy the 10-digit customer ID displayed next to your profile and account name.